Hey guys, so today we are testing out the Bedhead TIGI curling wand. So I have, that kind of bob that I always have, and I have a substantial amount of trouble figuring out how to use these things and get a wave that not only looks cute but also lasts. So we are going to play a little bit today with that, and hopefully it is like the right size. I'd say it's 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch. I'll double check and leave the specs below. But we're going to give it a try and see if we can do that. So I know I'm not going to be able to do like the full length of my hair because some of it is so short. But I still would like to do, because my hair is pretty fine, would like to see if we could do like 2 layers of this, so to speak. Okay, so I'm just going to, and then try not to burn myself. I know that some of these come with, those little gloves, but I never use them. Sorry. If you do and you think they're a good idea, definitely use them. Just make sure not to burn yourself. I'm sure that I will burn myself at some point through this, just for the record. Okay, so that's a big chunk. Hopefully that's not too much. Okay, so I still got like sort of a bend on it. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to keep going all the way around, and I'm curling it. In the back I'm just kind of picking a direction, but in the front I'm trying to curl out. Like away from my face. I feel like that's the most flattering way to do it. I also have this set, the heat setting between medium and high. I'm having a lot more trouble with this than I thought I would, and I don't really know what that says about me. Aside from the fact that I would not make a good hairstylist. Alright, so we're going to keep with the same pattern. Curling in an outward way, away from my face, and just holding it and trying not to burn myself, which I have not really done yet, which I'm pretty impressed about. One interesting thing is that I have not looked at the back of my hair this entire time, and that's like a flaw of mine. Because I can't see it, kind of don't care what the back of my hair looks like, and I probably should. Just putting that out there. But that's the way I've always been, so if you've ever noticed that about me, you're right. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little spritz. So I've been using the Garnier Nutrice 24-hour body and lift hold, extra strong hold, number 3, volume hairspray. That was a lot of stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna spray. Okay, and wait a moment until I feel like any of the pieces that are still kind of warm, I want to let them cool a little bit so that it sort of sets better, and then I will like finger through it and we'll see what we've got. I have to say it is kind of promising because it is just bendy looking. It's not like curly cues, and it actually looks like I don't have to comb through too much because, but I should look at the back at some point. It's probably embarrassing. Okay, let's do some fingering through with just my hands. I actually really like this. Okay, so I don't know what time it is. Let me check. Okay, so it is 9:20 in the morning. So I'm gonna check back with you guys later today. I'm not gonna do any, touch-ups to this. It just is what it is. I will just see you guys in a couple of hours and do a couple check-ins and just see how this wears throughout the day. I am gonna be like running some errands. I'm not doing anything crazy. I just have a little girl and yeah, just running a couple of errands. So we'll see how this wears and lasts throughout the day. So I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so it is 3:30 and here is my hair. So I realized this is not necessarily like a great determining thing as far as like the effectiveness and long lasting. Like I did not use a ton of hairspray and I didn't use like a heat protectant spray that I sometimes use to try to keep, but I think the wave that I have has worn really beautifully and it does look nice, and yeah, I'm actually really pleased. So I will leave this below. I usually look up the most affordable price that I can find, which is typically Walmart or Amazon. So anyways, I'll link it below if you're interested. If you have any questions, certainly ask me. But so I didn't do like a curl. This was definitely just kind of like a wave, but it really wore nicely and I think it's really cute. I'm very happy. So the only thing I would do differently next time is I would just use more spray. So anyways, yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think this was a good purchase. And yeah, so it just has low, medium, and high. It doesn't tell you the exact temperature when it comes to choosing that, and I did it between medium and high. It is plugged in, and I will say this, so it's still plugged in. I have like a strip with all like my hair dryer and straightener and all that. And I will say that it has been off. It has a little red light to tell you if it's on or off. It's been off, but still because it's plugged in, there is heat emanating just from the handle. So I think I need to start unplugging that whole strip when I'm not using it, just to not waste electricity and maybe not have that heat running if I'm not using it. But anyways, yeah, I really like it. I think it's cute. It was easy to use. I would just say to use more hairspray and some sort of heat protectant if I want to keep it curlier for longer. But this is 6 hours of, like I said, wear and tear, and I think it's pretty cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please leave any questions or anything like that below.